Hey friends, Karen Baskett DIYer here. Come sublimate and bleach a t-shirt with me. All right, so I just started out by opening up Creative Fabrica and choosing a design. I searched for a 'Tis the Season fall design, and they have so many cute, fun ones to choose from, but I immediately spotted the one I wanted. So I downloaded it and printed it out using my Epson SureColor F170 sublimation printer, and the design came out beautifully. Next, I heated up my HTVRONT heat press to 390 degrees for 40 seconds. I pre-pressed my shirt just to get some of the moisture out of it. Next, I grabbed some copy paper and just stuck inside of my shirt so that I didn't risk my sublimation design going through, bleeding through. I laid out my design using my t-shirt ruler. I did, as you see here, cut around the design. Not sure if that was necessary or not, but I've seen other people do it, so I went ahead and did it. I used some heat-resistant tape to tape my design down. And then I moved it over to my auto heat press and used my Teflon sheet to cover the design and pressed go. Again, this is an auto heat press. It does everything for you. It is amazing. This is a must-have if you are into t-shirt making. All right, once it was done, it auto-released. I peeled the design, and you're probably thinking, that doesn't look so great, but just wait. Next, I grabbed a trash bag and used a clothes hanger and stuck my t-shirt right on there. This will help prevent bleach bleeding through here in just a second. All right, so I grabbed my bleach and a little container and a chip brush, and I gently brushed some bleach on right there over my sublimation design. Now, I have never done this before, so yes, I was a little bit nervous, but again, I've seen people do this, so I'm just doing what I've seen others do. I was splattering a little bit on as well. Once I got it where I thought it needed to be, I moved it right outside into the sun. I waited patiently. It took about 15 minutes to get to this point, and then this is around about the 20-minute mark. I did allow it to go a little bit longer in the sun, and then I took it in and used some hydrogen peroxide to rinse it in my washing machine, and then I stuck it in the dryer for just about 10 minutes. And here's the final results. I think this turned out amazingly well for my first try with sublimation and bleaching. I'm really proud of it, and I hope that you found this little tutorial helpful and you'll give one a try. If you do, let me know, or maybe if you have some tips or tricks for me, drop those for me down in the comments below. I do want to mention really quickly that the hydrogen peroxide stops the bleaching process. Also, I have bleached shirts before, just never sublimated shirts and bleached them. And last but not least, the t-shirt that I used is a Gildan soft style, and it's a 65-35 polycotton blend. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you'll check out some of my other tutorials and DIYs.